How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I will be unboxing and installing carbon fiber shifter. And if you're new to the channel and you like car mods or DIY, I suggest you subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And now let's continue to the unboxing. This one is the carbon fiber for the shifter. And here is the carbon fiber for the trim on the base of the shifter. And now it's time to do the install. First, we have to clean the trim and the shifter with some rubbing alcohol. First thing we need to install is the carbon fiber trim. Do the dry fit first, then remove the backing of the double-sided tape. Do the same process on the carbon fiber shifter. All done, guys. So what do you think of this carbon fiber shifter? Leave the comments down below. And if you have any other suggestion or modification that you want me to do on my car, also leave that in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe and I will see you on the next one.